Hello everybody, today I will show you how to make your own Minecraft skin. So first thing you wanna do is head into my first link in the description below. And it will take you here. And you'll be greeted with this div. And this is your base. Here is the overlay and the body. You can detach body part if you want, like this, just tapping it. Okay, good. Now you can rotate it if you hold both mouse buttons. Okay, good. Now you can do what you want. So I will just pick red and do a O here for outages, and with yellow a G because it's OG. There's just a circle. Okay, and once you're finished, you just hit this download and it will download this skin PNG. Now you head on to the Minecraft launcher and to skins. Click on new skin, white, name your skin whatever you want. I'll just name my skin test and click browse and just click the file that you downloaded. Okay, and click open. As you can see, this skin is here. Just you could just click save and it'll save, or save and use. Just pick save and use, and to show that it works. Okay, so we are in. I'll join this one. And as you can see, I have my skin in game. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, just can you please leave a like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.